Hi, my name is Kate Olson, and I am running for school historian. My motto for this campaign is from Nike, just do it. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. When it is time to listen, I just do it. When it is time to help out, I just do it. If there is a problem to solve, I just do it. If there is a job to be done, I just do it. This is my 5th year going to Benjamin Franklin Charter School, and this is a great school, especially because all of you students. If I was a part of student council, I would be able to record all the fun things we do as students. If you want your picture taken and put in your book, Kate Olson will just do it. If you want cool activities and parties to be planned this year, Kate Olson will just do it. If you want Mr. C dressed up if you want a picture of Mr. C dressed up like a turkey, Kate Olson will just do it. If you want a picture of your teacher kissing the pig, Kate Olson will just do it. So vote for Kate Olson for historian. Just do it.